The joy of coding Python should be in seeing short, concise, readable classes that express a lot of action in a small amount of clear code, not in reams of trivial code that bores the reader to death. Python means programmers yearning to homestead our noosphere. Python has been an important part of Google since the beginning, and remains so as the system grows and evolves. Today dozens of Google engineers use Python, and we're looking for more people with skills in this language. Python is executable pseudocode. Perl is executable line noise. The canonical, Python is a great first language, elicited, Python is a great last language. Python is a truly wonderful language. When somebody comes up with a good idea, it takes about 1 minute and 5 lines to program something that almost does what you want. Then it takes only an hour to extend the script to 300 lines, after which it still does almost what you want. Python is the most powerful language you can still read. Abstraction is one of those notions that Python tosses out the window, yet expresses very well. Surprisingly enough, Python has taught me more about Lisp than Lisp ever did. My favorite language for maintainability is Python. It has simple, clean syntax, object encapsulation, good library support, and optional named parameters. It's my belief that Python is a lot easier than to teach to students programming and teach them C or C++ or Java at the same time, because all the details of the languages are so much harder. Other scripting languages really don't work very well there either. Thank you for watching video. Like, share and subscribe to our Tech Education.